guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you some Diablo tricks. Oh yeah, the last one was the easier ones, now it's going to be the harder ones. So, just going to start my Diablo off. So the first trick I'm going to be teaching you. So I recommend you, well it's called the dream catcher, but I recommend you know how to do the spider or you can't do this trick. So you jump in and you see this, put this stick through there and you slide this one down. Oh damn it guys. Wait, just let me get some speed. So you should have saw the first step. So Emma, jump it up like that, and put this one through, slide that down. Then when you do, wait, there's my note. Okay, when you do that, you put this down like that, throw it in the air, and you catch it like a normal touch and catch. The next trick that I learned is the elevator. Well, I don't have to write Diablo for this trick, so it won't be going up and down, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you go in 3 loops, and you hold the stick up, that stick down. Then, if you don't have to write Diablo, it'll just go like that. Let's do a full round, and see if it'll stay. Oh, it stayed! Okay, so yeah, the next trick I'm going to be teaching you is, I know you guys want to do that, but I'm not teaching you how to do the looping suicide in this one. Maybe the next part, but not just this part. Okay, so the next trick I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do is called the whip. So guys, so you get it on here, so I'll show you guys again. Anyway, that's it. So, wait, can I just get it a bit more higher, the camera? Okay, now you guys can barely see me. That's a Diablo. So you get this thing like that, and you throw it in the air like a normal toss and catch, but then you catch it onto there. Then you go sideways, facing the Diablo like this. Do you see? And you throw it in the air, and you whip it from the top. And that's how you do the whip. Okay. So I was thinking of ending the video, but it would actually be a 2-short video. So, teach you some more tricks. Lucky duckies. Anyway. Woo! When you're on the stick line, you can throw it in the air and catch it like a normal touch and catch if you want. I missed that, but then I did a bounce catch, which you'll see in the next video. Okay. Okay. So, I recommend you learn how to do the whip, stinger line, and the finger one. Because you're actually going to get the stick line and get your left hand finger there, and you slide it down and get it on your finger like that. When it's on your finger, pick up your sticks, throw it in the air from your finger, and you whip it. It's called the finger whip. So you have to learn how to do the whip for that. Okay? Anyway, I think it's time to finally teach you the infinite suicide. So if you see this, you're going to place your left stick over there. And you're going to go round. You can see the shadow on the wall, guys. And then at the end like this, you get your stick and you push it back up like that. Okay? Okay. I think that's enough time to learn. So, the next trick I'm going to be teaching you. What should I teach you? Oh yeah. My school calls it for peace and release. But the actual name of it is the half suicide. So you get this, you do the first step and slide like that. And then you just let go of a stick and you catch it. And that's how you do the half suicide. So I'll show you guys again. First step is spider, so you have to, and you just push it down and you have to catch it in the air. And then now you should know how to do the half suicide. First time I tried this, I messed up. So keep on trying! Anyway. Okay. If you've seen on some other Diablo videos, some tricks that you want to learn, just ask me. I don't know how to do all of those tricks, but I'll probably know how to do some of those. Right, the next trick I'm going to teach you guys is to look up the moon. So you bring the stick back, you get this, look, you get this stick like this. It'll go up there. And if it's going like this, sideways, that will actually be normal. Because that gets you into another trick, which is probably a really advanced trick, which I'm not letting you know how to do just yet. Anyway, I think that I'm going to be teaching you one more trick. The next trick I'm going to be teaching you is the Diablo spot kick, whatever it is, I don't know, move. So you do the first step for the whip, get it on here. But then you get this bit, you see the string, go under, over, on the loop like that. And you do string spray, and it should turn like that. But then it doesn't mess up like that. It'll just do a turn, and then it'll do fully turn. And then when you're finished, you unloop it, and then you throw it in there, and you whip it. Okay? Okay, so there's going to be one more trick. Just one. The next trick I'm going to teach you how to learn is the toss and catch, but you catch it behind your back. So you throw it in the air, go perfectly, go back, but you catch it behind the back, which I actually suck at. So you have to aim it perfectly, guys. Anyway, bye. I'll see you in the next part of the other lessons. And leave a like if you learned one trick, and subscribe if you learned 5 tricks.